master the basics of system functionality. Ensuring your Apollo De-Icing system is paired and ready for use. Step 1. Power on and pairing check. Turn all headsets and interfaces on, making sure they are prepared as shown in the setup guides. Open the central bag. Inside the front pocket, you'll find the WTX units. The rear pocket contains the intercom box and power pack. Confirm the power pack is at least 50% charged using the light scale. Then plug it into the system bag, ensure it's properly secured, and switch on both the power pack and the system. The intercom light should be flashing green. If the light is permanently green, press the black knob on the front once. The volume control should typically be set between 11 and 2 o'clock. Fit the external antennas onto the coax sockets on the outside of the central bag using the knurled nuts, keeping each antenna upright. In most cases, you will need to use a coax cable as shown. Note: if a complete system test is required, make sure to use the coax lead extensions, again ensuring all external antennas remain upright. Pair the system one headset and one WTX at a time, following the system pairing instructions. Step 2. Microphone function test. With the system powered on, make sure all latch switches are in the live microphone position. Place one headset on your head and lightly scratch the microphone of each of the other headsets. You should hear the sound clearly. Swap headsets and repeat the test, confirming that scratching is heard in all directions for every headset. Ensure the latch button actively turns the microphone on and off during the test. Note: if 2 or more people are available, each can wear a headset and speak to confirm two-way communication. If you do not hear scratching, check that the intercom is on, volume is set correctly, and ensure all cables are connected, paying close attention to the audio cables on the WTX units. On the WTX connector, there is a small black release button. When reconnecting the audio cable, a distinct click should be felt. If only one headset cannot hear or produce a scratch, check the devices are showing the correct pairing flash. Check the communication lead. If no microphone scratch is detected, try repairing. As a final step, replace the microphone if repairing fails. Step 3. Volume control test. If you're testing alone, place one headset near a noise source such as a radio or mobile device playing music. Wear another headset and check that you can hear the sound clearly. Use the volume control to confirm that audio can be increased and decreased smoothly. Once checked, swap headsets and repeat the process to ensure all volume controls work correctly. Note: if 2 or more people are available, this test can also be carried out by speaking into one headset while the others adjust volume for clarity. Step 4. Range test. With one headset positioned near the noise source, wear another and walk up to 250 meters line of sight when using the external antennas positioned at chest height. You should continue to hear clear, uninterrupted audio. Ensure there are no physical objects such as walls, vehicles, or dips in the ground between you and the central bag. Note: if 2 or more people are available, each can wear a headset and talk while walking apart to confirm consistent communication range across all users. Step 5. First level fault finding. If you experience any issues during testing, take a moment to pause the video and review these quick checks and troubleshooting advice.